Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Grafana to AWS Timestream, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the AWS Management Console. Log in to your AWS account using your credentials. In the AWS Management Console, locate the Services menu at the top left corner. From the Services menu, find and select Timestream under the Database section. Once in the Timestream dashboard, click on the Create Database button. Enter a name for your database in the provided field. Configure the retention policy for your database according to your requirements. Click on the Create button to finalize the database creation. Next, you will need to create a table within your Timestream database. Select your newly created database and click on the Create Table button. Provide a name for your table. Define the columns you want to include in your table. Ensure you specify the data types for each column. After configuring your table, hit the Create button to save your settings. Now, open a new tab and navigate to the Grafana website. Log into your Grafana instance using your credentials. In Grafana, go to the Configuration section from the left sidebar. Select Data Sources from the Configuration menu. Click on that Add Data Source button. In the search bar, type Timestream to locate the AWS Timestream data source. Select the AWS Timestream option from the list. Fill in the required fields for the data source configuration. Provide your AWS Access Key ID and Secret Access Key. Select the appropriate region where your Timestream database is hosted. Enter the name of your Timestream database and table. Click on the Save and Test button to verify the connection. If successful, you will see a confirmation message indicating the data source is working. Now navigate to the Dashboard section in Grafana. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.